I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. If you find these systems a struggle, remember PD Tech offers full-service bookkeeping tailored for NZ trades.
In this video, we teach you how to email an online invoice to your customers from outside and from within Xero, so you can track when they view your invoices. Once you've created the sales invoice and you're ready to send it to your customer, use the Approve and Email drop-down to choose the option that best suits your process. First, let's click Approve and Get Link. Use this option to send customer invoices from outside of Xero if you prefer to use a business or personal email address rather than sending directly from Xero. Click Copy to copy the invoice link. Select the checkbox to Mark as Sent so Xero knows you've sent the invoice to your customer. Then click OK. Paste the invoice link into an email and send it to your customer from your preferred email address. Alternatively, let's click Approve and Email to send the invoice to the customer from within Xero. Review and update the email details if needed. Then click Send Email. Whichever method you use, the customer will receive an email with the online invoice and a Pay button if you've attached a payment service to help you get paid faster. When they click the Review and Pay button, a payment screen opens where they can use the available payment service to pay the invoice. Once sent, you'll see the invoice in the Awaiting Payment tab of the main Invoices page, with the status showing as Sent or Viewed once the customer has opened the invoice. Send an invoice link or email invoices to your customers to track who's viewed them, so that you can keep on top of your customer debt in Xero.